Welcome back, AJ Scientists. Today is day 7, April 28th. And if you're watching this video, you've made your Rube Goldberg machine and tried it out. Now you should be asking yourself, so why did it happen that way? Whenever we have a lab, then we talk about it. We discuss what we learned, and that's the debrief part. So today is going to be acting like that debrief where we're looking at our results and trying to figure out what happened. To help us with that, we have an article right over here called energy conversion. So I'm going to click on this energy conversion link. Here we go. And again, it's a short article talking about how energy can change from one type of energy to another. How it changes its form, kinetic to potential energy, those are familiar words for us right there. How those can change back and forth, as we saw with the roller coaster. We have a video here. You can look at energy transformation, and then some summary and review ideas for you to look at. Once you've read that and watched the video, you're ready to come over here to energy conversion form. Click on energy conversion form, put in your name and class period. And then over here we have the questions that go along with the reading. So as you read, you can answer the questions here. As you can see, multiple choice questions. And then at the bottom here it says describe an original example of energy changing from potential to kinetic energy. This could be from your Rube Goldberg machine that you made, so you can put that in there. And then down here at the bottom, tell me if there's anything else you'd like me to know, anything else going on. I'm always excited to hear what's happening, so keep me informed there. Alright, tomorrow is our last day of this unit. Day 8 is the last day. So I'll see you back then. Thank you.